Coastguard has a new high-tech aircraft equipped with the latest radio tracking technology to assist in search and rescue operations. Coastguard volunteers say it will help save lives this summer. Michael Morrow reports.
It's the only purpose-built aircraft of its kind in the country, used solely for Coastguard search missions. What makes it different from other planes is the technology inside the cockpit.
This aircraft configuration is used by the civilian air patrol in the USA, and that's funded by the US Air Force. It's an Air Force auxiliary. They use exactly the same gear that we do with this aircraft, down to the radio direction finder and the search pattern technology that we use in it.
A radio direction finder detects signals from a vessel's VHF radio and guides a pilot towards it. So even if a distress call is made but the caller doesn't know the precise location, Coastguard pilots will.
It's coming from the radio and it's giving us a relative bearing to the nose of the aircraft.
As part of an exercise to demonstrate how it works, Coastguard sent out a vessel that pilots had to find. The vessel was hidden behind an island, but it didn't take long for us to find it.
We've got it already, it's just down by this little island here.
The new plane can also detect and track the most modern emergency locator beacons. In the past year, Coastguard was involved in almost 3,500 missions, rescuing almost 7,000 people.
The big benefit of air patrol is that they can search a large area quite quickly compared to a boat. They do 150 knots, we do 20 knots when we're searching.
10 commercial pilots volunteer their time. Our pilot was an Air New Zealand engineer.
It's given us so much more for situational awareness, telling us where terrain is. We have visuals on the LCD screens. It tells us where traffic is.
The new Cessna will operate from Pawanui in the Coromandel to Whangarei and complement 9 other planes around the country. Michael Morrow, 3 News.